So we're here in Crested Butte. It's a really cool place so far, and it kind of reminds us of Steamboat, maybe a little smaller. Today we're going to East Maroon Pass, and at the top we'll be able to see Aspen on the other side and the Maroon Bells. I think it's like a 13-mile hike. We'll see you at the top.
What a way to start.
So hard to see from the moment we arrived.
We're at the trailhead because we don't have a high clearance car, so we had to walk an extra mile. It's not going to be a big deal, but if you do have a high clearance car, you'll be able to make it up here. Is it a cow or is it a moose? Let's hope it's just a cow, or if it's a moose that it's far away. Because moose are super dangerous, and if you're out here hiking, you absolutely need to watch out for moose. Don't worry about bears as much, seriously, it's the moose that you gotta worry about.
So we kept hearing those noises and we decided to take just a detour over to Judd Falls to see if we could locate the sound. Everyone seems to think it's a moose. We're just gonna be careful on our trail. I bet we'll be just fine, but holy moly, that thing was yelling. So yeah, watch for moose on the trail.
I just said that too. Crossings on this hike. Apparently, this is the first one. We'll see if I can do it without getting my feet wet.
We made it. Let's keep going.
This might be river crossing number 2. We'll see. Kind of like a waterfall crossing.
I could do that again.
We have to do it again.
Oh yeah. Now you can normally see these mountains just fine. It's always pretty. But these sunspots and the dramatic scene that's caused by the smoke here is really pretty. I don't wish the smoke or the fire on anyone, but it's definitely causing for a very scenic, good hike so far.
Another river crossing.
Woo!
That's so beautiful!
Time's been bad. You put smiles on everyone. I think of you.
We're still headed toward Copper Creek, so it's this way. We ran into a problem, but nothing we can't conquer. But I am short, so this will be difficult. Back on. It's very uncomfortable.
Oh God.
I can't get over it. There's a branch on this side. Ow. Let's see if he can conquer this like I did. Just kidding. Easier for him. This would be up to East Maroon Pass, so we'll still see the lake, so we should just keep going straight. East Maroon Pass or bust. Say that 10 times fast.
East Maroon Pass or bust.
That's one.
East Maroon Pass or bust.
Faster.
I can't breathe.
We made it to the lake, and apparently the best views in all of Crested Butte are in between the lake and East Maroon Pass, so that's where we're headed right now. I think you can see the trail actually. It curves around this side of the crater kind of thing in between the mountains.
Oh.
So I think it's not that steep. I think it's right there. Is that a person standing up there?
I don't think so.
I hope not.
And of all that you have done,
Wow, just look at that scenery. Look at that land. Holy moly. So it just doesn't stop. This is just where we were trying to get to, and we are up high, hanging out with all the peaks.
tell me the thing, the shape or form that you're in. Place you're from, the wealth of the color of your skin.
That was a great hike. That Copper Lake Trail up to the East Maroon Pass, worth it in every single way. What an experience though. Hearing the moose in the beginning, very happy. This is a great day. I'll remember this hike.
You're not pointing it at us.
And you.
Angle down. Okay, there. I think it's like a 13-mile hike. We'll see it. We'll see at the top.
That's what we've been doing. That's why I got the camera rolling, just in case, you know.
I don't know, it's pretty hot now.
That's what I thought. I'm like, I forget I have a hat on like 90% of the time.
All right, how was it?
More dramatic than it actually was. I don't think that's gonna work.
All right.
Is it good? Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
I gotta pee, I guess.
Oh. Sometimes you gotta figure that out.